Yep. I think they're big enough to go to the barn now. I literally just cleaned this a couple of days ago. Well, a few days ago. We worked this weekend, that's why we haven't had time to get it even better. I gotta get them some new water and stuff now. But I thought I would show you the mess first. But boy, are they getting big or what? Look at all the feathers they got. Still cute as button though.